I'm going to show you what my mother used to make for me all the time when I was a young gal. Now this is in my cookbook, Little Homestead Pantry. It is in there, and it's Grandma Susie's refrigerator biscuit donuts. I'm just going to take about 4 or 5 of these and drop them in my hot oil. Now my oil is at 350 degrees. I don't want to crowd it. I just want to, because it'll reduce the temp. I'm just going to fry them just till they're nice and golden brown. And they'll be wonderful. And then I mix them. I put them on my paper plate with a little, lined with paper towel. And then I mix them in cinnamon and sugar. And then, or you can mix them. Sometimes I do it in pumpkin sugar, pumpkin and sugar. See, those are so nice. Only takes a couple minutes. They brown up beautifully. That one's stuck. There we go. And they get done really quick. You can use any kind of refrigerator biscuit you want. I just use these. These are good. And they're very inexpensive. I think this can cost me 69 cents. You add a little bit of cinnamon and sugar and you got a nice little treat. My husband will be happy. He loves these. There we go. All right. So I'm just going to lean that there. Let that drain a little bit. Put them on my paper towel. Put another bunch in here. I'll put 6 in there. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside because that can, by all means, go for a minute. And I just dump these right in here in my cinnamon and sugar in my bowl, put my lid on it, and just shake it all up. These are wonderful. They turn out beautiful. Okay, now we'll get these flipped over. Maybe. Have to help a couple of them out. These turn out nice. Oh, they're lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. And nice and fluffy on the inside. They're wonderful. Okay, now I'm just going to drain them. That's how quick it is. Very, very good. Okay, I'll take these ones. Whoa, I dropped one. Well, the kitty cat won't eat it, but put these right out here. Let them drain for a second. Put the rest of these in here. You can use toppings on these. You can drizzle them with a little chocolate. Anything you want. Sky's the limit. They're good no matter what you do. I just like them with cinnamon and sugar. They're just wonderful that way. Especially with the pumpkin spice in them. That makes them really, really good. Okay. We'll put these ones down in here. Alright. These ones here are almost ready. They flip over really easy. You can probably see them cooking in there. how nice they do. I'm going to go just a little more. Let's see. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, I'm going to unplug this because I'm all done with that. I'm just going to let these drain for just a second. Slide that aside. Pour these in there. Give them a shake. Oh, they're wonderful in that cinnamon and sugar. Oh, not good enough. Give it a little more. There we go. And there we have it. That's how easy those are. Now that little recipe is in the Little Homestead Pantry cookbook. And the link to my cookbook is under the description box. It's in every video. Look at there, friends. Look at how nice those turned out. Aren't those cute? And what a lovely little treat, and quick to make. If you have company coming, you can whip up a batch in no time. Put on the coffee and enjoy a chit chat. There you are, friends. Thanks for watching.